Hey, it's time for filming.
Oh, sorry. Now we're gonna open another one. Let's open the Red Panda.
Yeah, it's a Red Panda.
We still have the poopies at the front. I see the toilet. Thank you, no.
Toilet is always here. It's waiting for you.
Let's pull this
In case
out.
you are in emergency,
We
you can
pull
use
this
this one.
out. Can we pull all of them out first? Can we? Now we got the cards out and this thingy.
Yeah, some advertisement.
An English card and a Japanese card. Let's see this. What? So, what? There's something in there. What is this?
I don't know.
What? It fell off.
It's nothing. Just a package.
What?
They put
Why
a
do
lot to make the box much bigger than the contents, right?
Yeah.
There's a lot of paper.
Can I see the box again?
Yeah, it's a Red
They
Panda.
eat the bamboo.
Yeah. Two Red Panda? I first
Yeah.
one, yes, two. That's
Yeah,
good.
two.
It's a pair of friend Red Panda.
Oh, it's so cute. Can the red pandas hold the bamboo? Let's give you a close-up first. Doo, doo, doo. Let's open the bamboos now. Let's see if that red panda can hold the bamboo.
No, I don't think so. Can you hold it? No.
Wait. I'm going to try again. I think it does. Look!
Oh, he can hold it and he can eat it.
It's so funny. Let's just get that. What about this one? This one is even cute. This one is like eating this one. This one is right here. Okay, let's make it harder. We have to throw the rubbish away. Boom! Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Just kidding. Move on to the next video. This way or this way? Mini, mine and mo. Because you're not going to tell. Let's see. Let it go. E-D-B-D-B-D-Mo.